This is regarding the Chief Minister's statement threatening to the members of the assemblies that anybody move for no confidence. He said that the consequences will not be good. Even threatening those who want to have move the no confidence. And saying that the Honorable Chief Ministers, anybody move for no confidence, then threatening that the members cannot leave even their respective houses. So for that, our Congress party, led by our CLP leader, Bobby Singh, we met the Honorable Governor and also intimated with the matters, apprised the issues. In the future, it should be protected the rights of the members as per the provisions in the Constitution of India. Very simply, and we are raising these issues to the Honorable Governor because it is concerned and he is the custodian of the constitutions in the state, apprised these matters to the Honorable Governor. He patiently heard our apprise to the Honorable Governor. In fact, the Union Budget 2025-26 is really anti-people's budget, so to say. This budget will affect to the poor people and particularly the unemployed youths. There is no any reflections for the unemployed youths in the entire country. And also, particularly what you have asked regarding the entrepreneurs and small-scale enterprises and the economic activities related. In fact, this provision is very limited in the budget 2025, and particularly the state of Manipur, it is not mentioned, and particularly in the budget there is no any provisions. In fact, Manipur is in turmoil situation and also the economic activities is totally paralyzed since 2023 May. And again, whatever the economic activities, so to say, it is totally paralyzed. The banking investors, that is also banned due to the present unprecedented turmoil. And this banking, in short, they are also making their bodies of the profit making. Even if they invest money to the entrepreneurs, individuals and agriculture related activities, but this time due to the violence is totally stopped. This is also the factors that it affects directly or indirectly affect the economic activities of the people of Manipur. And also, not only this related with the violence, the state government is unable to hold the local bodies elections. You see, the local bodies elections of the municipal and the Imphal municipal corporations, urban bodies, that is also not held the elections. And also the Panchayati Raj institutions, it has been more than 2 years that the election is not holding PRI's elections. And again, ADCs, Autonomous District Council, that is also not holding elections more than 4 years. So in these connections, it's very unfortunate that the finance ministries is not releasing the 15th Finance Commission Award Fund. So it's more than 600 crores is still pending in the finance department, which is not released fund because of the unholdings of these elections for the ADCs, PRIs, urban bodies. So altogether around it is 1,000 crore or more. Again, the state government, the state shares, which is granting in aid, free money that the center is going to give under this 15th finance. It is mandatory that the 15th finance commissions should release these grants for the state of Manipur. So it's our shares. Still, this is also not releasing by the 15th Finance Commissions. It is still pending. So this is also part of the factors that the economic fallacy. Basically, the schemes are not releasing the funds. The budget 2025, MGNREGS, that is also not increased. It is decreasing the percentage that affect directly to the rural masses. This is also rural areas, urban areas, and again, to some extent, the failures to release the scheme due to the non-functioning of the state government. It together directly or indirectly affect the people. Automatically, the economic is going to collapse now. NRGS is also not reaching the target, and the 15th finance is also not releasing the fund. The schemes is also not effectively implemented in the state. And because of this violence and even the not related with the violence. The elections of the local bodies is not, in fact, is not related with the violence. These all make the failures make the collapse of the economics of the state. And also you see in the budget 2025, it is not reflected for the IDPs in the relief scheme. So basically the India government with the initiatives of the state government should reflect the budgets for those homeless people. So there in the affected area, the houses turned into ashes. There is no more the houses. It were already bulldozed, both for these Meiteis and the cookies. The state, with the initiative of the state government, the finance ministers and the honorable prime minister should reflect to reconstruct the affected houses, to encourage their the affected IDPs, and there should be hope with the budget 2025, but still that is not there. So this is, in fact, the budget is not friendly for the unemployed youth, masses of the youth, and the particularly we are thinking that the state government is also BJP government. So that is also BJP. Even if we are in the opposition, we are expecting a lot from this double engine government. It's not a political matter. The state government should initiate before the preparation to the budget. And the finance minister's concerns and the chief minister, he should lobby and he should press to the central government the reality of the state and the collapse of the economies in the state and the requirement of the IDPs. It should be discussed with the central team, particularly the Pradhan Mantri and the finance minister. So that had not happened. In fact, that is not in a positive way. Being the MLS, even if he is BJP or maybe in the opposition to also, being the legislator, there should not be such type of statesmen. Being the leader, being the legislators, being the leaders of the community, always leaders should try to bring in a peaceful way, in a peaceful state, to initiate the understandings between the communities so that we can bring peace and restore the normalcy. Being the BJP MLAs, I don't think that they should not they should not give the such type of statement, because this will create more and more. Force cannot bring the peace. By understanding and the initiative for the peace will bring this peace and normalcy in the state. It's adding fuel to fire, so it's not a good way. It cannot bring peace in the state. Regarding this violence, we Congress Party always are raising these issues. Again, in this ensuing assembly session also, all the leaders of the Congress Party will raise the different issues to restore the normalcy and the peace in the state. Regarding that matter, our members is very few. So we are also discussing on that line. We will have our Congress legislators meeting in the future and we will discuss on that issues. Still, we are not decided.